Hey everyone, Roland this side. I hope you all are doing well. So let's say the problem of the day.
So the problem number is 1189, maximum number of balloons. So basically we are given an text like string form like this. Okay, so we have to extract the extract the letters from the text and form the letter balloon. Okay, for example, here we extracted B, O, again O, and then L, then L, and then A. I mean and N. Okay, so we extracted every letter to form the balloon. Okay, but here we extracted once, again we extracted, so we extracted two words from here. We only gonna extract one from here. So, okay, so what we are going to do is simply we just have to count the number of characters. So for example, let's consider int b equal to 0. So it gonna store number of b in the text, int a equal to 0 for every character on the string text. What we are going to do is increase n by 1. Okay, and after that what we have to return the number and answers. So how many we can actually form? So that is minimum of b a l by 2 o by 2 and n. We are dividing L and O by 2 because we need 2 to form. Okay, so if we got 4, we have to subtract divide it by 2. So 4 gonna divide it by 2, that's gonna make it 2. So we can only make at max 2 with 4 L. Okay, and we have to return the minimum. So whatever the minimum is, the number of words gonna equals that. Okay, so return, we have to simply return the answer. Okay, so if we gonna code this, it look like and n equal to 0. Hold on. Int b equal to 0. Int a equal to 0. Int l equal to 0. And o equal to 0. So we got the every character in balloon. And now for character C and text, we are going to do switch up. We can also write switch, or we can simply do a ladder equal. So I'm just considering here ladder equals. If character is B, simply do the plus plus to B. B A L by 2 O by 2 and okay, so yeah, semicolon. And if we okay, so sum of test case got fast. And now let's submit the code and see if we got any error in any of our test cases. So that's the perfectly fine code. And if you discuss the space complexity and time complexity, so space complexity, we are not using any extra space, so space complexity remains constant, that is big of 1. And for time complexity, we are iterating over it once, so time complexity gonna remain big of and okay. So that's the whole space complexity and time complexity. And I think that's it for today. And if you like this video, so please make sure to subscribe to Tensor and feel free to ask any doubts if you have in comments. Till then, keep smiling and keep coding.